And it's not just Germanic tribes that get involved. We have the Scandinavian invasion as well, affecting both England and much of Northern Europe. And not this Scandinavian invasion, but this one. So the Vikings are going to move around quite a bit. Viking, first of all, is a verb. You go Viking, and you see how much territory they are actually covering. Really, much of Europe will be under some form of Viking, not really rule, but they'll have to deal with the Vikings on a regular basis. And we even go as far as places like Kiev, the Byzantine Empire, south of Italy, etc. They're known for farming and trade more than pillage. But look at where they're originally from. Their homeland is Scandinavia. You can't farm that land really well. There's not a lot of trade goods. So you're going to go out and find things. It's no different than the Greeks doing the same thing as they develop when they have this rocky soil that just doesn't allow for crops. So they become traders, and that's what the Vikings are going to do. If the trade failed, that's when they would start pillaging, but they're not just going out pillaging. In terms of navigation, they're famous for the use of the sunstone, which is this very interesting stone similar to calcite that was polarizing. And the idea was, even under cloudy conditions, if you held it correctly, you could determine exactly where the sun was behind the clouds, which allowed for daytime navigation. This allowed for Eric the Red to travel as far as Greenland and his son Leif Erikson to travel to the Americas. Not quite that far into the Americas, but into the Americas nonetheless.